Hello, everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, and trying to get the glare off this thing. All right. So, what are we doing today? Well, we've been playing with these little replacement pantographs, and if you look real close, you see I had to replace the wire. Works perfectly. But why did I have to do that? I don't know. As I took it out of the box, the packaging, it just cracked off. I didn't think that was a solder job. I mean, I'll save it. I'm nutty. I might fix it somehow with have some more tiny copper tube. But anyway, okay. We were looking at this pattern of wiring that came in the package, which was this package. Now you can see they're out. One's on the GG1, one I fixed, and this is the strange switch. It's just a switch. That's all it is. And there's the underside of it, and there's the top of it, and it just, switches. So it's going to switch between catenary pickup, whichever one you put to it, and if you could turn it, it is easier to turn with a screwdriver. So if you do it the way they suggest, this is poking up through the roof of the train. You put the screwdriver in it and you switch it. See? Okay. There you go. Very hard to do it by hand. Very easy to do it. I don't know why it's coming out of focus. Oh, I see the screwdriver screwing it up, because it's getting into the focal field. All right, now, this is this weird wire pattern, which I think is more about, it seems unnecessary. This seems more about trying to reverse the polarity on the light, having directional lighting. But I said, let me just see if I happen to have a Lima locomotive that's got pantographs. Now, that's not a guarantee that this system is installed. As I'm sure you all know, you can buy trains and find all kinds of different versions of them. Some have every, super duper thing you could imagine in it, and others don't, from the same manufacturer. There's Proto 2000, 1000. I can't think of others for the moment. Now, the box here is like ancient. So what happens with an ancient box is it kind of, got to use an old ruler. Hope I don't drop this thing. Oh, it's got a nice box. Doesn't want to come out. Okay, nice locomotive. There is no visible switch. Yep. I wonder if that's there. If you want to poke a hole in it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's for the light. And this is the original box, but the original box does not contain the way to take this apart. It says Lima, Italy. I wonder if it even works. As a kid, I always thought Lima was not as good as Rivarossi. But you know what? I don't know if that's fair. I think it's pretty damn good. Let's see what happens. Got the power on. See if we clip it on here. Dead as a dinosaur. What about from underneath? Any light? I think there's a light on one side. Oh, these seem to be dead. Don't see any light. Oh, there's a light. Let's see if it's directional. Ooh, might be directional. Alright, so it's got a directional light. That's pretty neat. Okay, we've identified that. The question is, how does this come off? I see a big bolt there. And a big bolt there. But I also see a motor there. So the light's there. What happens if we loosen this big bolt? Let's say we take this off first. I'm going to put a clear there. So this is not picking up anything. And these go on this is 4-wheel, this is 2-wheel. Notice that? So you can't really screw that up. Oh, little screw with only 2 wheels. Ooh. Wow, that's a key part. This one, I don't think had that. I have to check the video, see if anything flew off. Lights. Nothing up to the pantograph. Nothing. Some like weights. That's all she wrote. So nothing in there as far as pantograph control. So I guess this kit is separate. All right. You cannot see that Lima used this. Maybe this is an add-on kit. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll continue. Have a great Sunday. Bye from Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies.